Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Mina, and in this video we're gonna talk about something that everybody's been talking about, especially in the world of real estate. The world is going insane and we don't know, oh, the prices are going up, the prices are going down. What? Real estate always goes up, bro. Look at my graph right here. Boom, real estate to the moon, Lambos. Buy any price, pay $400,000 over asking. Doesn't matter. Real estate goes up. Did you see this graph that I just drew up? It says Lambo on it. Real estate is gonna crash, man. It's gonna crash. The world is gonna crash and burn. Look at this. 80% drop. I'm not lucky at all. I wish it was 2008. I would have bought all the properties. I'm just not lucky enough. The bubble is gonna burst. It's gonna burst and we're all gonna die. We're gonna die. Dude, I'm gonna tell you this right now. Buy canned goods. Buy canned goods. Canned beans, and specifically black beans, are the shit. They will appreciate. The zombies are coming. It's gonna go down. The ship's gonna go down. So let's answer the question, should I invest right now in this market? The reality is none of us know what's gonna happen. We don't know if it's gonna go massively up, massively down. We don't know. And the people who say,
I'm just not lucky. Like, I wish it was 2008. I would have bought all the properties.
no, you wouldn't have, okay? No, I promise you, you would have not. Because in 2008, if you watch the news, they were all crying. Everybody was saying,
It's never gonna go up. This is the end of the...
it's very hard to buy in a market where you see everything significantly dropping. And that's why it's called a bear market, because nobody's buying, hence the prices are dropping. Why is it now a hot market? Because everybody's buying. It's not because real estate all of a sudden has this amazing new technology. Real estate's been the same in 2008 and right now. The only difference is how many people listen to Lambo Guy and how many people are listening to Canned Goods Guy. So the reality of the situation is we don't know where the market will head. Is it harder right now to buy deals? Oh God, yes. It is much harder to buy deals than in 2008. However, it's no longer 2008, so forget about that shit. Focus on buying properties with enough margin of error. Focus on buying properties with enough cash flow to weather a storm. So if you buy a property with 20 to 30% equity or with enough cash flow to weather any storm, if the property prices drop by 20% or 30%, you're gonna be fine. And to weather the storm of a potential correction.
Mina, you said correction. Does that mean there's gonna be a correction?
I don't know. There might be a correction. You need to make sure that you're secure should there be a correction. So if you're gonna buy right now with the heavily utilized theory of Greater's Full theory, which means I'm just gonna buy it now because there's some other idiot that's gonna pay me more for it, that's technically not investing. Utilize the numbers you have today, try and buy below market value, buy properties that secure you in case there's a drop, and we'll see what happens. Yes, the market may drop, I know that. Okay, but would you know when? Did you talk to the folks who, I don't know who the fuck does that, but did you talk to them? You probably didn't talk to them. So you don't know when, I don't know when, maybe it increases another 30% before it drops. Focus on numbers. Focus on fundamentals. And focus on lightly, ever so lightly, making love to the like button, because for the love of God, I just need YouTube to show my video to somebody else as well. Thanks, Mom, for watching, but I also need other people. All right, thanks very much. This is a short video because I procrastinated and I didn't film a video, so I'm just doing a short one, so I'll get back to it next week. Thank you very much. Cheers.